Hello everyone, my name is Liam Newman from Bubblehost. I am the founder and owner of it. Today I'll be talking to you about how to set up a website and the pros and cons, okay? If you choose Bubblehost. So there is currently, because it's Easter, um, there is currently a 30% coupon and it lasts for 7 days and that applies to all web hosting packages currently. So you can go yearly or monthly, and either way, you've got 30% off one time. Okay. Now, so let's say you already have a domain. A domain is something.com or something.com.au or whatever. If you already have a domain, that's good, because this applies to this video only, right? So if you don't already have a shared hosting plan, you can purchase one from bubblehost.com.au, and I recommend the starter web hosting because that's the one that most people would need, right? You don't really need 1 terabytes of bandwidth or 20 gigabytes of disk space because there's no way that you're just going to use all of that unless you're a big company, in which case you would need a VPS or dedicated server, right? So if you already have a domain, you need to use it here. So you can go bubblehost.com.au. And yes, you will be able to purchase this web hosting package. So I'm going to log into an account that already has a service web hosting, a domain, sorry, a domain that's linked with the name servers, Bubblehost name servers. So I'm just going to look into this. Yep, this is all good. All right, so first things first is order a web hosting package. As I've said before, I recommend the starter one. Just gonna order it. It's my own domain. It was pride. Okay. And it's already been transferred over. I'm going to go, let's say. I mean, you can go monthly or annually. I'm gonna go annually with this one. Now, this one. Alright. I am going to give myself an unlimited discount, so I'll be right back. Alright, I am back with this discount and it should work now. Yep, right. Okay, so as you can see, I've now got the shared hosting starter web hosting package. And oh yes, I'm just gonna fill in some details and then I'll be right back with you. Sorry about this. Alright, I've filled in the details and we have now got the order. So if I head on over to the client area, we can see we have this package now. And I can basically do whatever I want. I've now got a website that works. So I can log into cPanel or webmail or change passwords. Oh, wrong one. Or anything really. So, if you're new, I'm going to guide you now. You want to click on Login to cPanel. And surely it will log you into the cPanel. Oh yeah, I've got to. And let's try that again. Yep. Right. Logged into cPanel with this website. Okay. First things first. If you already have a website, as in you've downloaded a website locally, and you just want it on a server so you can access it, because right now you've got an empty website, okay? If you want to access it, then you can go to the file manager and upload a website. So I'm going to do that very quickly. I'll be right back. Alright, I've got the website uploaded. It's done. And if I refresh, we can see that it's a zip file. I can extract it, right? This is only if you've made a website yourself, like coded. So if you haven't, then this doesn't apply to you. And if we refresh, we can see we've now got the website up and running, okay? So that's how you get a website on a server, and it works. Okay. Now let's speak a bit more professional now. If you don't have this information and you are a complete beginner, you are wanting to go over to the WordPress management and install WordPress, okay? WordPress is a website builder, it's very popular and it's very secure as well. So we're going to install WordPress on this website. And we can choose your installation directory, title, so I can call this demo. Plugin theme, if we want the essentials, e-commerce, classic, jetpack, whatever. I'm going to go with none, or in fact, I'm gonna go with WordPress Classic, which says what it is. None, actually. Your language, English, doesn't really matter if it's US. Your version, you can select which WordPress version, and username and password. I'm going to set the password here. I'm gonna set this email. In fact, no, we can have admin@pradev.me.uk. Database information and update if you wanted to update automatically. I highly recommend this. And it's going to do all of this for you. So it's going to install WordPress, and I'll be right back once it's installed. Okay, so here we have WordPress has been installed, and we can set it up if we want to install plugins by default or not. I'm not going to. And before we do any of this, we can see that we have SSL certificate. So we will need to turn on automatic SSL. I believe it's already installed in SSL Foros. Let's check. Oh, yes. So that's perfect. It needs to be all green. Okay, back to WordPress management. We can go to themes and we can choose a theme. So install and search Astra. Yep, we can install Astra if we want. I think there is an option themes. Oh yeah, there we go. So we can see what all of the themes look like. And if we just scroll down. So yeah, go through this. I recommend the Astra one, just to be on the safe side. So Astra install. And this is what your website will look like. And yeah, just the design of the website, really. So I'm just going to install Astra, and I'll be right back once it's installed. Okay, so it looks like the Astra theme is now installed. And all we're going to do is click on the activate under Astra. Just checking a minute here. Now this is this. I'll be right back once it's activated. Okay, so it's now active, and this is going to refresh in a moment. I'm just going to click on login, the login button. Okay, going to retrieve the admin credentials that we set earlier, and log us in. So, currently this is being cached. So, yep, this is what your website looks like, and we can customize it. Plugins. You've got these default ones. We can delete them. Add new ones. We can even make our website with AI. And this is a video that I'm going to go over with you on another video. Maybe the next one. But for now, this is your website. And you can just go from here. You can explore your dashboard. and yeah, just mess around, see what you can do, edit posts, add posts. You can have your whole website as posts if you like a blog. I can say blog about Bubblehost and professional and fast web hosting choice. We can view it, and it looks like this. We can edit comments because you're an admin, right? So yeah, that's all I have for this video. And yeah, check out Bubblehost, and I'll see you in the next video.